Oui, je suis Monica de Suède. J'ai été ici en Paris pour 4 jours. Oui. J'ai fait des concerts. And I have had a really good time.
Because I'm Swedish.
Tomorrow I will go back to Sweden, and I'm gonna miss you. All right. Here's a song about people that annoys you. It's called "You Always Wait for Someone Else to Do It." You always wait for someone else to do it. You got so many ideas, but you just never get on with it. Oh no, I'm really not in the mood. I'm just sick and tired of you and things you expect me to do. Well, I gotta tell you that it's bad behavior, that I'm not gonna do you no favor. Oh no, I'm really not in the mood. I'm just sick and tired of you, but I'm not gonna do what you think I'm gonna do. No, 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 no. Oh no, I'm really not in the mood. I'm just sick and tired of you and things you refuse to do. 'Cause you're never around when it's your time and we all know it. You're a lazy sucker and you're not ashamed to show it. Oh no, I'm really not in the mood. I'm just sick and tired of you and things you want me to do. No, you put me in a bad mood. I don't think you're a very cool dude. You get nowhere with that attitude, 'cause you always wait for someone else to do it. That's it.